Leader of the opposition, meanwhile, in Bengal Assembly, Shubhendu Adhikari, who has written a letter to President Draupadi Murmu requesting her to withdraw or forfeit the prestigious President's Police Medal that was conferred to the Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal. Shubhendu Adhikari saying that he is complicit when it comes to the destruction of material evidence. We have Sagrika with us right now. Sagrika, as far as the allegations that have been leveled on part of the family are serious, they are shocking, and now here the BJP on its part is raising questions.
And the BJP is also demanding a polygraph test on both Mamta Banerjee and Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal after these revelations that have been made by the family. In a 3-page letter to President Draupadi Murmu, Shubhendu Adhikari writes, and I quote from operative parts of this letter. The subject is earnest request to Honorable President of India to withdraw or forfeit President's Police Medal and Police Medal conferred upon Shri Vineet Goyal, IPS West Bengal 1994, presently Commissioner of Police Kolkata. Written today, the date has been mentioned. Now, what does he go on to say? He says, and I quote the operative part, any act that renders the holder of the medal guilty of disloyalty, cowardice in action or any conduct that brings the force into disrepute is a matter of great concern for the force of which the holder is a member. Then Shubhendu Adhikari goes on to say, it is with great anguish that I bring to your notice the failure of the government of West Bengal to take appropriate action as per terms laid down by the Ministry of Home, Government of India in connection with the reprehensible, deplorable and shameful conduct of Shri Vineet Goyal during the course of investigation into the rape and murder of the resident doctor of the RG Kaur Medical College. His complicity in destruction of material evidence and deliberate inaction on the night of 14th of August 2024 has been well documented in the media. His brazen attempts to sabotage the investigation into what is possibly the most heinous and sensitive crime in the country today to pander to the whims of political executive of the state with an intent to camouflage the financial and moral racket running in the health sector in West Bengal resulted in interventions by the Kolkata High Court and subsequently the Supreme Court. So this is the BJP now going on to say that I would request you to kindly consider taking suitable action in terms of the said rules and kindly withdraw the award medals, namely the PPMG 2013 and PMG, which is the President Medal 2023, at the annual and annul all attendant perks and privileges allowed to him. The state government should also be censured for not taking appropriate steps in terms of notification. So Shubhendu Adhikari here writing both to the President and Home Minister Amit Shah, citing rules. So the rules that has been laid down by the Home Ministry is that any police official who's conferred an award which is so prestigious and does not perform his duty, there are terms laid down where the award can be withdrawn. Shubhendu Adhikari citing those rules to seek the withdrawal of the President's Medal given to Vineet Goyal, the top cop of Kolkata.
All right, Sagrika, thank you for that. Tapas, not just in the dock as far as the Kolkata Police Commissioner is concerned, because the allegations being leveled and the questions that have been raised here by the BJP and by Shubhendu Adhikari in particular talks about destruction of material evidence, talks about deliberate inaction during the vandalism. Of course, when it comes to the commissioner himself, after quite some time, he was there at the place, but by that time, the damage was already done on the night of 14th of August.
Well, yes, absolutely. This was the claim from the junior doctors first, and then the opposition party, especially from the BJP, and now the leader of opposition have clearly written to the President of India and requesting her to take away all the medals given to the Commissioner of Police, Vineet Goyal. And the allegations are very grievous that there were destruction of evidences and there were no proper investigation was done. So he have also cited that these are against the police code. So going across, not only this, the other BJP MPs have also written to other hierarchies in the central government to take action, take note of this. Even Amit Shah have been requested to take note of it since he is the Home Minister. And given the fact that it seems that the trouble is mounting for the Kolkata Police Commissioner at the moment, but as far as the state government here is concerned, they are absolutely beside Vineet Goyal at the moment, but police have not reacted on this as yet. But this this is seen more of a political stunt to exert pressure onto the state administration, given the situation and the kind of statements coming in from the doctors and especially from the victims' parents.
So direct intervention that has now been sought on part of the president, on part of the Union Home Minister as well. Tapas continues to be with us because another angle that if we talk about the opposition in West Bengal, which is the BJP, which is intensifying the heat on Mamata Banerjee government after the victims' families' fresh allegations that have been leveled, the BJP leaders which are demanding a polygraph test on the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Vineet Goyal, who is the top cop, while also seeking for their respective resignations.
ममता बनर्जी घूस का राजनीति में विश्वास करते हैं। जब देखा उनका 10 लाख रुपया लेने से इनकार कर दिया, तब जाके माता पिता को लुभाने के लिए वो अंडरग्राउंड प्रयास किया। ये पहला नहीं है, इसके पहले भी किया है। और पुलिस तो टोटली तृणमूल कांग्रेस का जासूस का काम करते हैं, इसीलिए इस पुलिस से किसी का भरोसा नहीं है। तो इसीलिए मैं समझता हूं जिनका लड़की का मौत हो गया वो झूठ क्यों बोलेंगे, इसीलिए मैं समझता हूं इसका छानबीन होना चाहिए।
Now certain disclosures have been made by the parents which show how Mamata Banerjee's government was interested not in Beti ko Nyay Dilao but Saboot Mitao, Satya ko Chhapao and Balatkari Bachao. The parents have spoken of how the Bengal police was trying to bribe them. The DC North tried to bribe them to settle the case. Why was this being done? At whose behest? Who was being protected? Also, when they wanted to preserve the body, the cremation was hurried up. There were several family members that were present at the cremation, but very curiously, TMC leaders who were at the cremation site were the ones who handled and hijacked everything.
साफ साफ मालूम पड़ता है कि वहाँ की राज्य सरकार किस प्रकार से जो कोलकाता कांड हुआ है उसमें तथ्यों को छुपाना चाहती है। आखिर कैसा कानून पास किया है ममता बनर्जी ने? नाटक किया है, ड्रामा किया है कि कातिलों को फांसी होनी चाहिए, तथ्य मिटाएंगे, आंदोलनकारियों को अंदर भेजेंगे, एक एक सबूत को मिटाने का काम करेंगे। आपको इस्तीफा देना पड़ेगा।
Well, that is how the BJP has been reacting, seeking the resignation of the Chief Minister. And of course, when it comes to taking back the award that has been given to the Kolkata Police Commissioner. Thank you very much, Tapas, for joining us here.